Hey guys, ever wondered if someone is really following you back on Snapchat? Let's find out. So guys, firstly open up Snapchat and launch the app. Find the person you want to check next. Go to the search bar at the top and type the name or username of the person you're curious about. After that, you need to tap on their profile. If you can see their Snap score, that's the number next to their Bitmoji, it means they're following you back. If you can't see their Snap score, they're not following you, even if you follow them. Pro tip for better connections: if you want to grow your Snapchat connections or interact more with your friends, try sharing fun snaps, maintaining streaks, and engaging with their stories. And that's it. Now you know how to see if someone follows you on Snapchat. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you next time.